Hi guys, live here from Bangkok, Thailand. We're in CMC, our car storage facility, which also double acts for all kinds of matters related to DMC. Today we got a package from Germany. It's for the Lamborghini Gallardo. Let's take a close look together, see if you know what it is. So, here it is. I'm not sure if you can still see, but it's the DMC rear engine cover for the Lamborghini Gallardo. These fit very nicely on all kinds of Gallardos, first generation, second generation. Of course, it came off the LP560. There's going to be some changes that you need to do if you want to install this on first generation Gallardo, but it's really beautiful. I'll take you a little bit closer look here. It's very light. You can even have this with one hand, probably one finger, but I don't want to take the risk of it falling to the floor. So let's take a little bit more close look, and I hope you like it. LP560, 570, all these kind of generations, they're gonna have no major problems at all. Basically, most of the parts are gonna be included in the package. But if you have a first generation, let's say LP520, 540, you're gonna have to do some special brackets. Otherwise, the rear decklet that serves also as a under part for the wing, that will not fit. But if you have this kind of access, it's actually not too difficult. A good old tool, machine shop, not sure how to say this in English, they can bend metal, they can make some custom brackets for you, and then you can install this as well. And we'll be glad to give you some installation manuals for this as well. So I hope you liked this first preview. I'm going to do another video about the wing, and you will be able to see more details about that in a moment or in the other video. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, please hit it with a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit it with a thumbs down. In both cases, please leave us comments what you liked or didn't like, or what you would like to see in future. Until then, let me say thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time with another DMC video, DMC Live.